How do you feel about sharing? Hi, I'm Hadas and welcome to TikTok. In this chapter, I want to show you how you can share your design as a template. Are you ready? Let's go. In this episode, I'd like to show you how you can share any of your designs as a template. This is something that is different than sharing your design to edit or to view. Let's see how simple it is. I have this design that I created, and I want to share this with my team members, my coworkers, or actually anyone who owns a Canva account. All I have to do is go up here to the share feature and click on it. You will find underneath here the option to share a link to edit. Once you click on this, you get more options. Share a link to use as template and share a link to view. What we want to pick is share a link to use as template. As you can see, you have this little crown that indicates that this is a pro feature. Once I click on that, I can do two things. One is copy the link and share it with anyone I'd like. Another option is to just click the name of my team member or their email, and then this will be shared with them directly. Who's ever using your template and making some changes and editing the template, this does not affect your master copy in any way. This is your safe way to keep your master copy as it is and share your love for design with the world. One thing that you should take under consideration, if you're sharing your template with someone that owns a free account and you have used pro elements, objects, videos, music, then they will not be able to use them unless they pay for them. That's it. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this chapter, and please do share with us your templates in the comments below so we can all be inspired. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Wow, thank you Hadas for these precious tips, and thank you for watching this video until the end. I have two playlists right here for those of you who want to go a bit deeper and keep learning. This one right here is a collection of step-by-step Canva tutorials, and this one gathers all of our Canva Space webinar recordings where Canva experts teach about all sorts of topics.